can't breathe through this anymore. So, my uniform, it's so tight. Release me. Release me. Well, thank you for your kind words. I know, right? But you expected for not surprise. Oh, I have introduced myself. And some of you, there's one of us which only don't I'm Gerald de la Cruz, a young woman, a smart young woman, I should say, genius. Do you need someone answer your problem? And perfect approach of you. Ask why? Because I know everything give those expressions similarly and give those problems. I thought we've given the piece of correct. Oh, friend good, I'm genius. Sometimes I'm word maybe and bored long time ago, then should be great. Creation, this is word. Yes, maybe yes. Why can know everything remember? Ha 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 ha. My mother told me get that nickname. She was been my inspiration. Oh, I can mean assistant. I think can. She my mentor. I know let more than her. My father. Oh no, I don't. Him. I fuse. To him, someone people. I don't know him, friends. No. Some people told me has criminal and treatment per product without cert is jailed. Some people told me she has changed. I don't believe them. I then read, rap, and then they correct him to I can't stand it. I have those people who start in my nose. Something without approach. Only I know this right. Mom, where's document? Maybe table. I asked. I thought the trust real already though it's away. She answered. I told you never to touch anything. Her stupid moron. I'm still mother young man, and you can stay that you me? Why can? I know more than you cause you are brain idiot. Yes, that true. Then slapped me in the face, a puncher and hard. And louder and this proven the ground I should have seen. Face filled out, I heard like she has died. Ha 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 ha. What? Really? Oh, there are again stop. I can breathe in this well uniform. It's so tight. Release me. I should be free. Release me.